What you said. Yeah.
Case number 25S00791. FY People State of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby.
Zachary on behalf of people.
Illinois, P87446, Stephen in for the attorney of record, Bob Dominic, and I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Dansby, who stands to my right. Mr. Dansby, can you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, my name is Timothy Dansby, and I can represent myself and I'll take counsel as an assistant, you know. But I don't know who this being there. I never signed for no representation of counsel, so
Okay, you don't want a lawyer?
you
don't have to have one.
I'm gonna need somebody because apparently I can't get a hold of no paperwork I haven't received my discovery back.
Well, that's what we got lawyers for, sir.
To the count machine to get to the lawyer very well to the county. So it's apparently hard. So I'm gonna need some type of system.
Okay, well, that's what we got for you. Okay.
I'm gonna be representing myself.
Well, we don't have standby lawyers. So either you want a lawyer or you do not.
So first is I wanna go ahead on with the preliminary.
Okay, well, first of all, you're charged with retail fraud first degree. Now, first degree retail fraud is a felony charge. So the maximum penalty on this charge, let's see.
I believe it's 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years and a $10,000 fine or 3 times the value. You know what? Let me tell you something. You got a happy mouth.
I got a brain to go with you.
Well, you can have but you're disrespecting me.
I'm sorry.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're going to witness the chaotic courtroom drama of People versus Timothy Dansby. Right from the start, the defendant makes it clear he doesn't trust the system, claiming he never agreed to representation, while at the same time demanding help. The judge lays out the felony retail fraud charge, but Dansby interrupts constantly, pushing back against authority before the case even gets moving.
Now I'm talking and you just cutting me off. So if nobody said you don't have a brain or anything, you just need to stop talking and listen to what I'm saying. All right. So this charge, you have a right to have a preliminary examination on this charge within 21 days of your arraignment date and within 7 days of today's probable cause date. So preliminary examination is the probable cause hearing, where the prosecution puts on evidence to show probable cause to believe that this crime of retail fraud first degree was committed and that you were likely the one who committed it. And if in fact we have that hearing and they meet that burden, I'm going to send this over to circuit court for trial. If they don't meet their burden of proof, then of course this could be dismissed at this level. All right. So you understand all that. Now you don't have the discovery because I'm sure your lawyer probably doesn't have it either. Does Mr. Gonick have discovery?
Yesterday, we received paper discovery late yesterday. It will be sent to Mr. Dansby today, and have not received any audio-visual discovery from my understanding.
I like the guy if you don't mind. Probably more thing, you know what I'm saying, for the fact that I haven't been denied. You know what I'm saying? And it's happening about it. You know what I'm saying? And the prosecutor was conduct, she was my government training. Even though
Sure. Okay, that's a lot of talking. Where's the prosecutor? Yeah, but where's the prosecutorial misconduct?
well, I should have had my discovery, y'all.
Sir, do you understand how this process works? Well, no, you shouldn't have had your discovery because this is the first hearing.
So in the first year, I don't prepare anything if I don't have any paper.
First of all, there is no preparing of anything just yet. Just yet. Because
I'm supposed to just stand here and just like, oh, yes, come on, this is not slavery. This is not the one, young. I am not the one. I don't care nothing about the United States. First of all,
apparently not. You must not care too much about anything, sir. Okay.
I don't even have a license. What's your license number?
First of all, I don't know who you think you're talking to. But do you want to spend an extra 30 days in custody? No, you don't. You don't care. Obviously, that's why you're here charged with something.
What is your license from?
I don't have to answer you, and I don't answer to you. And I'm not gonna start now. You need to settle down.
Long life attorney, law must be licensed by the state.
You need to settle down. Okay, take him out of here, please.
As the judge tries to explain discovery, Dansby derails the hearing with accusations of misconduct, saying he's being treated like a slave and that his rights are ignored. Paper discovery has just arrived, but he refuses to listen. When he won't calm down, the judge has him removed. It's a textbook sovereign citizen meltdown, loud arguments, zero legal weight, and guaranteed frustration for the court.
That's okay.
Well, tell it down.
He's having his moments. So we're gonna adjourn this, and I'm gonna waive the 21-day, 7-day rule for this discovery. Yeah, welcome to Friday. All right, so we'll give you what do you think? You could just need video?
Understanding, yes.
Okay. So we'll give like a couple weeks to do it.
Yes.
And he's gonna want to see it, so you're probably gonna need to have him take
I will
the
let,
laptop over there to the jail and take his license to practice law to.
yes.
Okay. All right. So the next probable cause conference on this charge is gonna be.
I just, to make the record as regards to that discovery, I do have paper discovery, which Sister Counsel has noted that has been tendered already. I do not have, does not appear that I have audiovisual discovery in my possession, but I will seek it should it exist.
Okay. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, there's not much we can do. But we'll see if it does, and we'll come back on.
Court's available August 25th at 9:30.
August 25th at 9:30, and hopefully your client will have had a chance to review everything, and we'll be a little more settled down.
Mr. Dominic will be in trial in the Wayne County Circuit Court. I can make that they work for myself, but if you're wanting Mr. Dominic to be here,
Well, we're not holding an exam on that date, so you'll be able to tell us if you want one or waive it. If you think you can handle him, I'm happy to have you come back. If you think Mr. Gonick should handle him, then we'll give you a new date. It's up to you.
I would say in this instance, I would feel more comfortable with Mr. Dominic because he handled his own.
Well, you know what? You gotta cut your teeth somehow. We've all had this.
Just don't know.
Ask Miss Gracie. Okay. Ask Mr. Puda.
I
We've all dealt with difficult clients.
We got this Gracie right. I know that he's an expert in this.
I've had my share over the years when I was licensed to practice law. So. By his standards, I'm not licensed. Okay. Yeah. 25th at 9:30 will be good. His bond will be continued.
With Dansby escorted out, the judge addresses his attorney. Even though the lawyer is new, the judge reminds him that every attorney eventually faces an impossible client. Discovery issues remain, but the plan is to deliver video evidence if it exists. The next hearing is set for August 25th. Calm discussion replaces chaos here, as the court keeps order despite the defendant's disruptive absence.
This is case number 25S00791FY, People State of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby.
Chuck, on behalf of the people. Morning, Your Honor. Ben Gonick, here on behalf of Mr. Williams.
Okay, Mr. Gonick, good morning. Sir, come on. Can you get up? Can he move? No? Okay, sir, can you tell us your name? All right, so Mr. Dansby, today is the adjourn date for a probable cause conference on this charge of this was a retail fraud, first degree. And so last time, Mr. Gonick, you needed some video discovery and you wanted to review all that. So did you get a chance to do that?
Trying to.
Okay. Well, he didn't apparently, but did you look at it?
I did not receive it.
Okay, what happened with the video discovery?
I wasn't here in this case.
Huh?
I don't see it even in my file, so, what I can tell the court is, actually, this is next day, so I'll get it today instead of.
Oh, all right. Well, things might have slowed down since she was off. Okay, so you want an adjournment, Mr. Gonick, again? A brief one? I don't know. How long would you like?
Pardon me?
How long would you like it to be?
We have a trial next week starting in front of Judge Rowe, but it's only going to be a couple day trial.
Okay. Okay, sir, put your hand down. Put your hand down. Okay. The following week.
Yes.
What do we have the following week? Not next week, but the following week.
For just another,
Not another PCC.
for 8th at 9:10.
How about September 8th, 9:30? We'll get to you in just a second, sir.
The only problem I have is that my trial starts on the 4th. It should be done the 5th, but that's Judge Rowe's criminal call, so that'd be
So he won't be doing it during that.
trial.
Yeah.
Right. That would be.
September 8th at 9:30 then. Now, what do you want to say, sir?
Say, John, that, first of all, this is supposed to be an examination, but I'm not asking for an adjournment. I'm asking for more. I also want to state this lawyer's being forced on me, because I can ask for one. I haven't signed for no attorney being represented, so I don't know why he adjourned something where he's not even, I don't even have him to represent. I mean,
How you going to get the information?
I don't get the information, well, I said, apparently,
Sir,
bring to me and review it.
okay, the prosecutor ain't going to bring nothing to the jail. To
Think
review.
about what the law says. I'm going by
Okay.
what he did.
I don't know what law you looking at. Okay, but the prosecutor's not going to bring you.
At the follow-up, discovery is still incomplete, and the defense asks for more time. Dansby explodes again, insisting this should already be a full examination and not another delay. He rails against representation, court rules, and even invents his own constitutional theory. The judge denies his demands, reminding him this is just a conference. Sovereign rhetoric meets courtroom reality, and reality wins again.
Don't know that these individuals, I don't even know if these individuals are even practicing law. I don't even know if they like to practice law.
What they're doing don't matter. They're not on your case, sir. Sir, I'm not trying any facts. Okay? Number one.
Represented by legal lawyers, not persons who impersonate lawyers.
Okay, stop. You finished now?
No, I'm not. You slowly stop. I'm not finished.
Okay, well, you're finished as far as I'm concerned. So this is what I got to say to you. First of all, we don't allow anyone to practice law that's unlicensed.
That's not true.
Okay, let me just, I don't do it in this courtroom. Okay, sir, would you stop talking to Wolf? I have to have you taken out of here? Because you don't listen. You don't listen.
I have a constitutional right to represent.
Charles.
Court for.
Now, what I'm trying to tell you is this. The prosecutor can't bring you a video. And the video could be the crux of the case. We don't know what it shows. Your lawyer would be derelict and the person here, this is the lawyer that's here, that's been assigned. Okay? So, he would be derelict in duty if he didn't get it, to look at it, and to try to ask. Well, he doesn't have it yet, sir. And then he can ask, and
I'm asking for this due process.
okay, first of all, there's no basis.
In a timely manner.
The motion's denied. There's no basis to dismiss the case. Okay? Not right now, there is not. And so he can ask to bring his computer into the facility to show you the video. If he gets it, which apparently the prosecutor didn't have it. This is the normal prosecutor.
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's try what? for the court.
Okay, well, I'm just explaining to you.
Lied.
I don't know who lied or who didn't.
He got money, never got one because they never intended to go this far. They didn't think that I was gonna go this far. They didn't I'd come back to
Okay. Well, guess what?
take no place in something I did not do.
Nobody asked you to take a plea. First of all,
I'm telling you what he asked.
he might have asked you if you wanted to. I don't know what he said. That's between you and him. But the bottom line is, he doesn't even have all the information to make a determination.
But they asked me what he did.
Okay, I don't know. I said I don't know what he asked you. That's between you and your lawyer. That's not, I don't get involved with that. So what I'm trying to tell you is nobody's trying to get you to plead, at least not here, because I'm not taking a plea on this particular case, even though I probably could take a felony plea. I'm not doing that. We're just here to see what's going to happen as far as the discovery and if we need to hold a preliminary exam or not.
It's not gonna be, it's not gonna be. Because this is supposed to be my examination. You're not.
This was not your exam. This was a probable cause conference date. All right, we haven't set the exam yet because we haven't gotten all the information to set it. So we're going to go ahead and get the information and we'll make a determination if we're going to set it just in the next week when we come back. So that's what we're going to do. And you need to calm down. Okay? Violence continue.
I'm trying to be right. I already know I get a little animal.
Yes,
That's when I know that I have been
but then the truth will come out.
about none of that because these people are trying to prosecute.
The truth will come out, sir.
And I'm not going for it.
Okay.
Go ahead on with that.
All right.
Thank you.
We thank you. All right. Violence continue.
I go.
We'll see you back here on the 8th, 9:30. That's another PCC.
Dansby pushes for dismissal, but the judge won't budge. Without video evidence, due process demands a pause, not a dismissal. The defendant's outbursts about conspiracies and denial of rights keep rolling, but the judge holds firm. The real issue is simple. Discovery isn't complete. All the shouting about higher constitutions and secret laws only cements Dansby's reputation as an uncooperative client.